can wash you white as snow. He can make you whole again. God got some grace, and guess what it's got inside of it? Got a little mercy. That ain't all my God grace has in it. Tell your neighbor, my God grace got forgiveness in it. Got compassion.
Make a song
I
called
wish you knew what the grace of God is all about. And when he said it was sufficient, tell your neighbor, I woke up this morning with enough.
We can start it off.
When you woke up with God's grace, it was sufficient because it was.
Amen.
It was enough. A lot of folks don't know what they woke up with this morning, so they didn't know what they was having. But when you know what you got, you turn around and tell God, thank you. The song, the song that says, what could make me white as snow? What did it make me?
We gotta get him on the track, man.
Nothing but the blood. Tell your neighbor it was Jesus. It was the blood of Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
And I got what I needed this morning. When God woke me up, started me on my way. He gave me enough. And I wanted to tell you thank you. Have mercy, please. But Lord, y'all don't know how good God grace